A federal lawsuit that was filed against a local debt collector who went after a woman for an unpaid childhood medical bill now is getting tossed out.
Tonight, 13 Investigates has learned of a settlement in the case. Our own Sandra Chapman, our investigator, shares the brand new twist and why both sides can claim a win.
The settlement means both the delinquent charges and LaToya Tolliver's counter lawsuit are going away. It all started with a debt created 17 years ago.
It's not right. If it was my debt, I wouldn't be upset, but it's not my debt because I was a minor.
LaToya Tolliver was upset when we spoke with her months ago. She was sued over medical expenses dating back to 2002, expenses she assumed her parents paid. In 2002, she was just 17. A minor.
I never got a bill or anything, no.
But just after her 18th birthday, MedShield sued and won a judgment against her for those childhood bills from the old Wishart Hospital. LaToya said she never knew about them until attorney Derek Johnson started collection proceedings this year. 13 Investigates went looking for Johnson after he failed to answer our calls about the case.
Can you provide documentation of a 17-year-old debt?
It would depend on the circumstances.
Johnson tried to collect from LaToya's parents but couldn't due to bankruptcy. So he used an old Indiana law to go after her instead.
Is that the right thing to do?
It's the law. Isn't the law right?
This adult that was a child when the transaction occurred is liable for this debt.
LaToya was ordered to pay the $1,300 judgment issued in 2004, plus an extra $1,500 in interest and fees in Decatur Township Small Claims Court. That's the same court where Johnson came under scrutiny for filing thousands of lawsuits while skipping past the actual courts where the debt was incurred. The Indiana Appeals Court has since ruled collectors must file in the appropriate jurisdiction. LaToya and her attorneys questioned MedShield's collection practices in her case.
I want them to be fair to everyone across the board, and there should be a statute of limitation.
Court records show notices went to the wrong address.
It has never been on my credit. I don't have anything negative on my credit, never have.
But there might have been a clue that LaToya didn't understand. 13 Investigates has learned she did dispute charges on her credit report nearly a decade ago. What she thought might have been identity theft might have actually been the hospital bills and MedShield. Now, as part of a settlement, LaToya agreed to drop her lawsuit. In exchange, she's off the hook for the remaining $1,000 left on the judgment.
MedShield will not admit any wrongdoing as part of the settlement, and the case now goes away. The Supreme Court is reviewing what actually qualifies as knowing about a debt. But the bottom line is, if you get a notice or see something odd on your credit report, don't ignore it. Ask questions. You only have a year to file a complaint. And once there's a judgment against you, a company can always seek collection, even if it's 17 years later.